A guide to opening a restaurant business in Thailand in 2022. One of the reasons Thailand is a profitable place for the food and beverage industry is that it boasts exotic flavors and interesting cuisines. In fact, food is one of the country's top attractions for tourists. Although the food and beverage industry has suffered in the past 2 years due to the pandemic, it shows promising potential as the national economy continues to recover from the setbacks. Moreover, since international travel is opening once again, now's the perfect time to seize this opportunity and start your own restaurant business. So, to help you achieve this, take a look at the step-by-step guide. Register your company. To accomplish this step, you will need to do the following tasks. Choose a location. Find the best location in your area with a lot of visibility and traction. Finalize the business structure. Once you've identified the ideal location to build a restaurant, the next step is to finalize your business plan. Appoint a director. According to the law, every business should have at least one Thai director to facilitate the registration and license acquisition. The appointed director will sign the necessary documents to proceed with the company incorporation. Register with the Ministry of Commerce. After signing all the necessary paperwork, you must submit all documents with the information above to the Ministry of Commerce for approval. Register for tax and VAT. Since your restaurant business aims to generate income, you will need to register for tax and VAT to operate legally and efficiently in Thailand. To register for VAT, you must fill out a form known as Pages 01. Submit the form alongside the Certificate of Incorporation, Tax Residency Certificate, and a copy of a valid passport to the Revenue Department. Once VAT registration is complete, the department will notify you via the VAT system for e-service, SAVE. Open a company account. As you start to earn money, you will need to set up a corporate bank account for all business transactions. Doing so will help you separate any corporate expenses from your personal ones. Apply for the necessary licenses. The final step to setting up a restaurant in Thailand is to obtain the necessary licenses, such as restaurant license, food business license, liquor license, construction permit. Before these are granted to you, an officer will inspect your property and your products to ensure that you meet the criteria for health, safety, and hygiene. Accomplishing Thailand company registration is the first step to your success. The next and arguably the more challenging step is to run your business. So, to help you out, here are some tips you need to follow. Have an interesting concept. Hire employees. Manage annual legal requirements. As you can see, the entire process of incorporating and running a restaurant is not simple. Fortunately, we at Reliance Consulting can assist in this endeavor. From registration to managing your finances, we offer comprehensive services to ensure your success.